What is up everybody, Gistic here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to uninstall apps and extensions from Google Chrome. Let's get into it. So the first thing you guys need to do is open up Google Chrome, and then you want to type in the search bar. You want to type in Chrome, // and then we're going to do the apps first. So this will be down in the description. You can just copy and paste this if you like, or you could type this in. It's Chrome apps. So once you've pasted that in, it's going to take you to this little menu section. Alright, so once we're here, what we're going to do is pick one that we don't need, which is slides. I don't use that. So what you're going to do is right click, and then right here it says remove from Chrome. So let's click on that. Let's press remove, and then it is gone. So that is how you delete the apps from your Chrome browser. Next, we're going to go back up to the search bar, get rid of apps, and just type in extensions, or you can go down to the description where it is pasted and just copy and paste that. Press enter, and now it'll take you to your extensions. So I just downloaded this pop-up blocker in my last video. You guys can go check that out if you want. We're going to be removing that, so we're going to go ahead and press the remove button. And up here, it's going to ask you to remove again. Just click yes. And then it'll try to get you to keep their program. Just press continue with uninstalling. Not all programs, but some of them do that. Alright, now it will no longer show up in your Chrome. So that is it for this video. If it did help you, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And comment down below if you need any help. I'll be glad to help out. And that is it from me. Have a wonderful day. And peace out.